Hi, I'm Cheryl, and welcome to my channel, Living Well 50 Plus, where I create content for women over 50 on health, wellness, real estate, life insurance, retirement, and much more. So let's jump into it. A lot of people have been asking me, a lot of people over 50 have been asking me if life insurance is still worth it after 50, and the answer depends on three key things. Number one, your financial dependence. Life insurance can replace the loss of income. It can cover your essential expenses such as your housing, your medical bills. It also can prevent financial hardships if you have a loss, and it supports your long term goals such as maintaining your standard of living, paying off long term loans, and it does reduce the burden and the stress on your family members. Number two, final expense planning, which can cover your funeral and your burial expenses, which can be pretty pricey. It can also reduce the financial burden and stress on your family members. It also can cover your small remaining expenses, such as outstanding debts. And it just provides a quick access to funds and it gives peace of mind to your family members. Number three, medical qualification options. We have term life insurance, we have whole life insurance, and we have simplified issue. Now, term life insurance usually requires a full medical underwriting. It may and typically will include a health questionnaire, but it often does require a medical exam. The pros to term life insurance, however, is that the cost is lower and the coverage amounts are higher. And it's good for temporary needs such as income replacement, paying off debts. Now, some of the cons is that it could be a little bit hard to qualify for if you have underlying health issues already. And the coverage does end after the term expires, which is typically 10, 20, or 30 years. Now, whole life insurance typically requires medical underwriting as well, but sometimes it could be a little bit less strict to qualify for. It does require a health questionnaire, and it may also require a medical exam. Now, some of the pros to whole life insurance is that it is a lifetime coverage. It does build cash value over time, and the premiums are fixed. Some of the cons could be that it's a bit more expensive, but it's still, and it still may be a little bit difficult to qualify for people with health problems already. But it typically is the best option for long-term protection and estate or final expense planning. Now, we do have simplified issue life insurance, which usually does not require a medical exam, only a short health questionnaire, and it may have a faster same day approval. And some of the pros to that is that it could be easier to qualify for. It could have a quick coverage turnaround, and it's usually typically for people that have minor health issues. Now, some of the cons, of course, the premiums could be higher and the coverage limit amounts could be lower than the fully underwritten policies. And it's usually best for people that just want a quick coverage, quick little coverage, and who may not qualify for the traditional policies. Now, if life insurance and final protection is on your mind today, hit like, share, and subscribe.